Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can verify your WhatsApp business account within HighLevel itself without needing to leave the platform, without needing to jump through hoops within the Meta platform, and it comes with amazing extra bonuses as well, such as an increased limit of being able to send messages, being able to add up to 20 different WhatsApp numbers, and you'll be onboarded a lot faster and verified a lot faster if you do it within the HighLevel platform. Now, if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet, and if you're looking to send WhatsApp messages, which I would highly recommend because we get a 95% open rate on our WhatsApp campaigns, make sure to click the affiliate link below, sign up via my link, and you will be rewarded with a lot of different bonuses that will help you to run a better business online. All right, first let's click on settings bottom left, and then you click on WhatsApp on the left. And from here you can already see the warning, hey, your WhatsApp business verification is still pending. Please click here to verify it now. Then again, you will see the benefits, what you will get if you verify it right now, right here within the platform itself. You will expand your messaging capacity. You will be able to send up to 1,000 business initiated messages every 24 hours, allowing you to engage more customers at scale and maintain consistent communication. And guys, please remember, this excludes the messages that are being sent within the open service window, right? So if a person replies to your messages and you message back and forth within the 24 hours you've sent the first message, those messages don't count towards the 1,000 limit. They just go on top of it. And every time a person replies, the 24-hour window resets again. So don't forget that. Second, you'll be able to showcase your brand name. So you can display your brand name, which then replaces your phone number, which helps you to build brand recognition and trust within every message that you send. And number 3, you can streamline appointment bookings. You can use the WhatsApp flows to offer customers a seamless in-chat appointment booking experience, which can help you to improve the conversion and really makes scheduling a lot easier. Please also note, up to 3 attempts are allowed for the WhatsApp business verification. So please make sure that you don't fail in that and that you provide all the details needed. So let's hit start verification. And right here, you can upload the supporting documents that Meta is asking you to provide. So any of these following documents will be accepted. Number 1, it can be the certificate or articles of incorporation. Number 2, the business registration or your license. Number 3, a government issued business tax document. Or number 4, a simple utility bill, where of course your company name has to be mentioned. You can just simply click here to upload the file from your computer, or you just drag and drop it over. Once done, you hit submit for verification. On the next page, you can track the status in real time. This makes it really easy for you to know where your verification stands without needing to open any support tickets. If your verification has been rejected, you'll be sent the exact reasons why. Once you fix the issue, you can then click resubmit. The verification timeline really depends on Meta's queue and as well as on the quality of the documents you have submitted. So to make sure you get through the verification really quickly, make sure you submit the right documents in high quality formats. Also, there is no additional cost for this verification process. It is free of charge. Messaging fees and conversation charges will still apply as per the WhatsApp policy. If your verification is still in progress or has not been verified yet, you can still send messages just within your limits. But like I just said, if you've been verified, please just fix the issue and try again to resubmit it via the CRM. Now, lastly, you may be wondering what's the difference between the business verification and the WhatsApp phone number verification. This business verification that we just did together confirms your legal entity with Meta, which we have used your documents for, right? And the approval of that unlocks higher messaging limits and lets you register more phone numbers. Versus the phone number verification process, where you will be receiving an OTP, a one-time password to that phone number that you're trying to register, that proves to Meta that you own the specific number and that you're allowed to connect this number to the WhatsApp platform, okay? So you need both steps. You need to confirm the one-time password to be able to connect the number, and you need the business verification we've just talked about in this video, so you can raise the messaging limits and avoid any other problems. Please note that the one-time password will not help you to increase the messaging limits, and the business verification does not replace the one-time password. Now that's it already. This is how quickly you can get verified on WhatsApp using HighLevel as your interface. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, and I will see you in the next video.